Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Femitech video tutorial. Now guys, for today's episode I have this HP 15 laptop. In the description section of the video you will be definitely seeing the exact model number. Now just a simple video, just gonna show you how to increase or reduce the brightness of this laptop screen, or make the laptop screen brighter or dimmer. Now on the keyboard you will see what is known as F3, F2 I should actually say, right? So F2 there, continue pressing down on F2 and that will get your screen dimmer, and F3 is the key that you need to press that will get it brighter. As you can see, the volume button in terms of how much brightness that is there, it is actually there. As you can see it moving, so just simply press both and just simply press F2 to get it down and F3 to actually get it brighter. Now my main reason for doing this video is that I actually had a customer who their laptop screen just went really dim, they're just not figuring how it actually just get dark like that, because you can be simple using your laptop and your finger or your hand, just simple press down on the F3 button, the screen just get bright, and you just definitely don't know what happened. Same thing with it getting dim, you just press the button accidentally, not looking, small kids around the place, just pressing the F2 or F3 button. So that is why I'm doing this video. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.